Hi guys, this is George Shamon from georgekc.com and from the Linux for Beginners, Linux Command for Beginners group on Facebook. In this video, I'm gonna go over some of the commands that I use daily. There are 5 commands. These are some of the commands I use daily. And what happened, one of my email subscribers sent me a request to create a video because he went through the email and I think he needs more clarification or demonstration. So this is why I'm going to do this. And if you have not subscribed yet to my email list, you can do that at by going to this website here, to this web page, georgekc.com/freeguide.html, and you can get a page like this one here. You just have to fill out your name, first name, and your email, and sign up. And once you submit the form, you're gonna get a welcome message. You're gonna get a PDF about getting how to get online help about Linux commands, and then in a subsequent days, within a week, you'll get like every couple days an email from me about some commands and what they're used for. And some of the emails you have, I think most of them, you have a link in the bottom for my online course about Linux commands for beginners, and there's a discount built in it if you're interested. If not, it's okay, you can still stay subscribed. And also by subscribing to my email list, we can communicate easily and fast, and I'll keep you updated with the new tutorials like this one, more videos, more courses, etc. So let's get started. Let me move this out of my way and diminish my picture, my image. Okay, so you're looking at the terminal, and that's the command line interface here. I'm gonna type some commands here. So the first command is the pwd command, the pwd. The pwd command will print out the current directory where you are right now. So if you type pwd and you hit enter, you're gonna get home/georgekc. This is my home directory. I am the user named georgekc. And the second command is the ls, and the ls will list what's in a current directory. ls, hit enter, and it's going to give you some of the directories. And there is some variation and some options you can add to those commands. And to find out about the options, you just have to use man list, ml man list, and then you hit enter, and it will give you more information about the command and what options you can use and what switches and what it does. So there's no way you can remember all the options for every command. So let's get out of this. Okay, the third one is clear. The clear command, clear, it clears the screen. So watch what is it gonna do now. So if you hit enter, the screen is clean. So sometimes, like, you have to go up, you have to erase the printout on the screen, and you have to start from scratch. You use the clear command. Another command is the cd command. The cd, it's a navigation command where you can navigate to certain directories. Let's say I want to navigate to the root directory. I just type cd space / that's the root directory, and I hit enter, and right now I am at the root directory. You see the /, and if you hit pwd, it's gonna give you the /. That's the main the root directory, the top level directory. And the last one is the date command. The date command, let me clear this first. The date command will give you the date information. If you type date, enter, it's gonna give you, like, let's say Sunday the 7th March 2021, and it's gonna give you the time 5:57 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that's basically it. So in this video we learned how to use the pwd, the ls, the clear command, the cd, and the date commands, 5 commands. So if you have any questions, please submit them in the comments and let me know if you need other clarification about other commands. And I think this video will be uploaded to both Facebook and YouTube, and I will add a link to the group. All right, thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you.